called? Ooh. Oh, that'd be great. Let's do it. Yeah.
Barbarian and wild.
So we have these two coming in. We have these ones over at the table.
Do you have any flamethrowers?
No flamethrowers.
Okay, okay.
Here.
Then I'll do that banana.
So there's doors. We haven't turned your robot on yet, but your drive is on the right twisted.
Oh, are we gonna battle?
Yeah, we're going to get a three-way battleground here.
Let's go. Tropic Cycle, thanks for the follow.
Well, I recommend just leaving this up and then just drive. Did you play?
Do you want to join the battle? We're about to battle.
Yeah.
How many can we have at once?
Yeah, we can go
Wanna
ahead.
get in?
Yeah. You do 4? Absolutely.
They are good stories they're sharing. They are.
Got what's on the table.
I haven't turned on your robot.
Yeah, you can tell when I start cutting people off that I'm starting to get tired and I want to move on. I'm trying not to cut people off.
Then back on the trigger.
I wasn't that interested in the Bumblebee guy,
And then your
but it was cool. It was very cool, but I lost my motivation.
forward and back.
So if you're watching this, I loved your interview, but I got tired. Not you, it's me. Alright, so I got the banana chopper. Okay. And then I got that forward back.
You need the power.
And then banana chop. Banana chop. That's dope. What does this button do?
Nothing.
Okay. Ooh, whoa. Got back up.
So your movement's on the left, the right joystick. The left is up.
All right, we're ready to battle. Oh, we got in our corner.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right, let's go. Okay. Hey, no! I want to get my banana up. Get my banana. Banana! Banana! Take that! Banana! Oh, I can lock you up maybe with it. I should try that. Yeah, now I got you. Yeah, I'm gonna throw you. Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh shoot. Ah, I lost it.
That can't be a good spot.
Oh no. Damn it. Oh, now I'm stuck. Womp womp. Oh, what am I doing? I just drove off. Look at dummy.